There can be another type of questions when you have to divide by the denominator first to the numerator. Now in this example, before proceeding for the differentiation, we will have to divide the entire numerator by the denominator x. So how we can write it? X power 4 upon x plus x cube upon x minus 2x square upon x minus 4x upon x plus 6 upon x. So solving this, it will be x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 4 plus 6x power minus 1, because below it was positive 1, so now it will become minus 1. Now we can take directly the derivative, dy upon dx. So taking the derivative of x cube, it is 3x square. X square's derivative is 2x minus 2x derivative is minus 2. 4 is a constant, so there will be 0, and last is minus 6 power minus 2. So if we have to write it, we can write this will be same 3x square plus 2x minus 2 minus 6, and this x square can go below. Now here also we have x root in the denominator. So before proceeding further, what we can do is, instead of writing here x under root as we have done in the previous questions also, we can write it x power half. So one by one we will divide the numerator by the denominator x power half. So x power 3 minus x power half, when bases are same, so powers will be deducted. So 3 minus half, so it will be 5 by 2, or I will simply write like that first so that it is easier. First portion has been divided by this, minus 4x square divided by x half minus 3x divided by x half and minus 5 divided by x half. So dividing this, bases are same because it is division, so powers will be minus, subtracted. 3 minus half is 5 by 2. So first this portion has come out to be x power minus 5 by 2. Minus 4, now x square divided by x minus half. So again it will be reduced. So 2 minus half, it will be x power 3 by 2. Next will be minus 3, 1 minus half, so x power will be half, and finally minus 5, x power there is nothing, so it will come above, it will be minus half. So we have solved this portion into this format. So now we can take the derivative. The derivative is denoted with dy upon dx. So taking the derivative of this, 5 by 2 will come further, x 5 by 2 minus 1. So 5 by 2 minus 1 is 3 by 2. Minus, again this 3 by 2 will come forward, so it will be 4 3 is 12 by 2. X power 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 is half. Or we can write here 6 directly. 12 by 2 is 6. Minus this half will come further, so 3 by 2x, it will be minus half. Half minus 1 is minus half. It will be plus because this minus half will be coming further, so it is this minus half minus 1 is minus 3 by 2. So we can write the final answer over here. First is 5 upon 2 x power 3 by 2, it will be same. We can divide this, minus 6, we can write under root x also, or we can write half x power half also, minus 3 by 2. So this x is negative, so it will go below x power half. So we can write it to be under root x, or we can write x power half, plus 5 by 2. Below it will go because it is having power in the negative, 2x having power 3 by 2. So this is another question when we have to divide by the denominator. It is very simple. You have to open the brackets above, then we can divide it by x square. So opening the first two brackets, we can open with first two brackets here. So it will be x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. So these two brackets have been multiplied, and the second bracket has been written as it is, divided by x square. Now we can further solve it inside. Minus 2x minus x, it will be minus 3x. So I am directly writing here minus 3x. So now we can open the second bracket as well. It will be x cube minus 3x square minus 3x square plus 9x plus 2x and minus 6. These two elements have been multiplied by the entire this thing divided by x square. Now how much we can solve this? It will be x cube. These are same, so minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 divided by x square. Now we can start with the process that we have to divide by the denominator. So when the first portion, or we can just show it step by step, y is equals to x cube divided by x square minus 6x square divided by x square, and third can be plus 11x divided by x square minus 6 divided by x square. So we have divided this with the denominator x square. Now solving this, it will be x minus 6 plus 11 upon x minus 6 upon x square, or we can say it is x minus 6 plus 11 x power minus 1 minus 6 x power minus 2. The below have come forward. Now taking the derivative, dy upon dx, x derivative will be 1 because it is having power 1 will come forward, so 1 x power again will be 0, anything having power 0 is 1, so it will be 1. Second, 6 is a constant, its derivative will be 0, so we need not write. The third element minus 1 will come forward, so it will be minus 11x power minus 2. Minus 1 will be minus 2. And the last will be plus 12x power minus 3. So if we want to write it in a proper way, we can write it like this. In another type of question where you will have to divide by the denominator, here the different point is you have seen in the denominator log e power x cube. So let us first solve this question. What is the value of log e x power e cube? So here log e is having power x cube. So when we solve such questions, when log is being given, when we take the log, this power comes in the front. So x cube has come in the front and log e. The value of log e with base e, we assume that the base is e, it is 1. So ultimately this portion has been solved and the value is x cube. So now what we will do is, we will simply put its value that we have found in this function divided by x cube. Now it has become a simple question that we have already seen how we divide in case of this differentiation. So 4 is there, x square divided by x cube minus 5x square divided by x cube minus 3x divided by x cube plus 1 divided by x cube. Now if we want to solve this, when we divide it, it will be 4 divided by x. I hope it is clear. X square will be deleted. It will be 4 divided by x. So when 4 will be divided by x, sorry, in this question it was cube over here. If you look at your books, it is cube over here. So when we divide it, x cube divided by x cube, it will be 4 minus 5 x square divided by x cube, it will be divided by 1, x power 1 minus 3, it will be, when x will be deleted, it will be x square and plus 1 over x cube. Solving this further, it will be 4 minus 5, x power will be minus 1, minus 3, x power will be minus 2, plus x power will be minus 3. Now taking the derivative, if this is a function, dy upon dx, derivative of 4 is a constant, it will be 0, so we need not write. This minus 1 will come forward, so it will be positive 5 x power minus 2, minus 1 will be minus 2. Again it will be plus 2 will come forward, 6 power minus 3, minus 2 minus 1 will be 3. and last this minus 3 will come forward and power will be minus 4. So finally we can write this x can go below x square plus 6, again this 3 can go below minus 3, this 4 can go below. Now this is a last question related to the division by denominator. Here also you see a different value in the denominator. So let us first solve this 4 log x. Now in case of log, we just have the rule that if we want to change the values, we can always change them. With the help of this m log n formula, we know that if we want to calculate, we can take it like this, as we have seen initially when we started up with the chapter. So here also this is m log n. So what am I going to do is, in the power log x, I am taking the power above. So I have converted this m log n into n's power m. This 4 has become the power. Correct? So now again applying the same formula. Now here again its power can come forward. Again this full power can go below. So we can write it like that, x power 4 into log e. So what I have done is this entire power has come forward. So x power 4 into log e. Now x power 4 log e, we know that is equal to 1. So we can say that this value is equal to x by 4. To just clarify this step further, you can refer to example number 9. In your books, example number 9 has been given. The same point has been clarified there as well. So we have found that e's power 4 log x was equal to x power 4. So now putting this x power 4 in this equation, 4x cube minus 3x square plus 4 divided by x power 4. So now we have seen that how we divide the numerator with the denominator individually. So it is 4x cube divided by x power 4 minus 3x square divided by x power 4 plus 4 divided by x power 4. So when we will divide it, it will be 4 upon x minus 3, it will be x square plus 4 x power 4. And if we want to further write it in an easier way for differentiation, we can write 4 x power minus 1 minus 3 x power minus 2 plus 4 x power minus 4. We have just taken these values above. Now taking the differentiation, dy upon dx, minus 1 will come forward, it is minus 4 power minus 2. It will come forward plus 6 power minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 and minus 16 x power minus 5. And if you want to write it in a better way, 4 divided by x square, this will go below, plus 6 divided by x cube and minus 16 divided by x power 5.